M-Pog's in the house. This one goes out to Miss Hetcheveria's period 6 calc class. Excuse me, Hetch. Averia. Related rates, let's go. I love it when you solve a related rate. Derive your formula, plug in what you know. I love it when you solve a related rate. Isolate your x and you're ready to go. If you have a formula and want to find a rate, it's simple. Just differentiate. Use a proper formula that works for you, but don't forget implicit or you're gonna get a 2. I love it when you solve a related rate. Derive your formula, plug in what you know. I love it when you solve a related rate. Isolate your x and you're ready to go. Hetch will hunt you down cause there's only one way. Related rates is it. Solve it or pay. The process is simple when the formula arrives. Just follow the steps and you're gonna get a 5. Love it when you solve a related rate. Derive your formula, plug in what you know. I love it when you solve a related rate. Isolate your x and you're ready to go. IDX stands for change over time. When you derive y, add y prime. Make sure that your formula is admissible. When dealing with the cube, don't use the volume of a triangle. Love it when you solve a related rate. Derive your formula, plug in what you know. I love it when you solve a related rate. Isolate your x and you're ready to go. You gotta know your formulas from now on. Triangles, trapezoids, circles, and diamonds, even pentagons. This process isn't limited to 2D shapes. They also deal with volume, don't try to escape. Love it when you solve a related rate. Derive your formula, plug in what you know. I love it when you solve a related rate. Isolate your x and you're ready to go. First things first, always draw a picture. If you don't do this, you're gonna be a failure. Plug in all the values that were given. Always read the prompt, it gives you every hint. Differentiate your formula in respect to time. This is your new equation, it's totally sublime. Now find all the values that you don't even know. This requires you to think, so don't you dare go. Now isolate the value that you want to determine. Then it's simple math and you got it for certain. Woo! I love it when you solve a related rate. I forgot the words. Wow. Isolate your x and you're ready to go. Now let's try an example to show you for sure. Just in case you missed it and it's all a blur. We got a conical tank with a radius of 5. The height is 12 and water will arise. Differentiate the formula for the volume of a cone. This new equation is one that you should own. Notice that the prompt gave you everything you need. DVDT is the only one left. So using simple math, walk away like theft. We're done. No, we're not. Don't forget your units or your teacher will mark you down. This isn't a joke, related rates are all around. I love it when you solve a related rate. Derive your formula, plug in what you know. I love it when you solve a related rate. Isolate